Do you want to know how you can run a backtest on your MetaTrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can run a backtest on your MetaTrader 5 account. Let's go ahead and start with the video. First of all, what you need to do is install MetaTrader 5 and then go ahead and open your search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5 and open this application. What you need to do next is you can see the tester option. Go ahead and click on this tester option and you can see the types of bars over here. So you can do the single, indicator, visualize, stress and delays, and there are some other options. Let's suppose I want to do this single one, so I'll click on it and you can see there are some of these options called expert, symbol, date, forward, and if you scroll a bit down you can see the deposit option and you can change your currency from here as well. So go ahead and enable this option and you can click start. So you can even select the expert over here, so you can select these and after that go ahead and click start. In a while you can notice that your leverage or your tester will start. So you can go ahead and do this, guys. So you can see that it is currently running. Go ahead and click start and you can see that the optimized parameter was not selected. So go ahead and select the parameter over here. So you can see that you can just click on disable and click start it, and in a while your back start will start. You can see that it has started and in a while a chart will appear on your screen. Wait for a while as it takes some time to run the back. So you can see that the back test has started and it is downloading slowly. In a while a chart will appear on your screen. As you have selected the single chart, you can see the chart over here. You can see that this test has been running and it shows you the perfect chart diagram and you can analyze your company's info and your price accordingly. So guys, this is how you run the backtest on MetaTrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.